Hello again, my Monster Jam brethren. I am back with another Spin Master Monster Jam unboxing, and it is the last truck I needed from Mix 5 from Spin Master Monster Jam 2019, and here it is. That is right, guys. The last training truck I needed, and that is Gravedigger. Oh man, this thing looks awesome. And yeah, so now I have all the training trucks, and yesterday I unboxed the sorry about that. So as I was saying, yesterday I unboxed the training trucks Zombie. So if you want to see that video after this one, go check it out. So yeah. Without further ado, I have nothing else to say. Let's get this bad boy opened. We have the truck, the Gravedigger figure, and here's the complaint card, of course. Screw it. Yeah, so I don't know why I'm glad they stopped doing the complaint cards, because those things suck. But anyway, let's get into the review of the Gravedigger training truck. So here we have these beautiful chrome green rims. I like those rims a lot. Those look awesome. And we have the BKT tire printing. And then of course it's a metal base like all the training trucks. And I have a different variant of the Gravedigger training truck. Usually it has like the Monster Jam logo in here, but this one has the old open gap roll cage. So I think this is the it's not the unrevised variant. It's just like there's two roll cage variants of this truck. But I mean, I don't care. As long as I have the Gravedigger training truck, that's good enough for me. So, yeah. But anyways, so back to the truck. We have the same exact cab as every training truck. This one has like a green line underneath, Gravedigger, Monster Jam logo. And then you got Gravedigger's iconic flames on the hood. And then same exact Gravedigger decals on this side. And yeah. Yeah, so that is the Gravedigger training truck, the final training truck that I needed for my Monster Jam collection. And yeah, I am so excited to finally have it in my collection. I can't wait to use it in my future sign-up series. And yeah, it's gonna be great. So anyways, that'll do it for this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys next time. Peace out.